Look at this meeting. Many people are sitting together. But where is the king's palace? Who is making decisions here? These people are moving again. They do not stay in one place for long. Why are they traveling? Where are they going? Look closely at the map. Most groups live near rivers.
What do rivers give people?
Why might people choose these places? Notice the animals. They seem very important. Why are there so many cattle here? Could cattle be a kind of wealth? Which group do you think makes better decisions? One person alone or many people together? What is your guess? These people are carefully speaking special words. The words are remembered for many years. Why were these words so important? Here is our first clue. Knowledge was passed by speaking and listening. People remembered thousands of lines. What were these verses called?
What were these verses called?
Here is another clue. Important matters were discussed in groups. Not every decision came from one ruler. What kind of system was this? Another clue appears. People performed special rituals. Why were rituals important to society? What purpose did they serve? Look carefully. Different people do different work. How might society stay organized? What connects all these groups? Now the puzzle becomes clearer. This period is called the Vedic Age. We learn about it mainly from the Vedas. Let's see what they tell us. The Vedas are ancient texts. They tell us about people's lives. They also describe beliefs and rituals. These texts are important historical sources. The Vedic age had rulers called Rajas. Assemblies like Sabha and Samiti also mattered. Society had different roles and duties. Together they shaped daily life. We still hold meetings today. Groups discuss problems and solutions. This idea is very old. It existed even in the Vedic age. Let's try a quick activity. You only need paper and a pencil. Can you organize the clues we found? Think carefully. A village must choose where to settle, near a river or far from a river. Which place would Vedic people prefer and why? One final thought. Why do you think rivers, cattle, and assemblies were so important together? How might life change without one of them?